Midwest, so a few phone calls. Miss everybody. It's a good time to meditate, I can tell you that. Back at work already? Aw, shucks. Hi, Shauna. Hi, Ryan. Hello, everyone. December the 26th, 2024. We are counting down the days now to another year. Every day is a good day to meditate and to be grateful. Good time to set goals. Think about them. Think about achievable goals. I like to call them SMART goals. So SMART stands for, I forget. The S, I forgot what it stands for, but it's SM. It'll come to me. Started playing and started drifting off here. So let's just call it a SMART goal, and we'll start with S as an acronym for SMART, an M for measurable, A for attainable, R for realistic, and T for timely. So, for instance, a goal might be, I want to meditate at least 10 to 15 minutes a day with some deep breathing to keep my mind quiet. So, is that attainable and realistic? And by when do you want to do that? Oh, excuse me. The S is specific. So specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. My old sales manager days, I forgot. Goodbye. Goodbye, sales. Hello, Cece. But they are SMART goals and they do make sense. Make sure they're realistic. Okay, I want to meditate for 10 to 15 minutes a day. Or you could say, oh, I want to meditate for a whole hour a day. Do deep breathing, have the mind go still, and you never do it. So make sure they're realistic and put a timestamp on. By when? A whole hour. We're going to go to 2:15 and longer if you encourage me to go longer, because you need it. I know after the holidays you celebrate Christmas. There's a lot of activity, a lot of food, a lot of family, a lot of people. A lot of people that may have acted out or not. Hello, Transcend. You're going to have to change that to 2020. Feel the gratitude in your heart and set your goals. Thank you for the gifts. I hope everyone enjoyed. We had a very quiet holiday. So relaxing. I feel renewed. I feel healed. I had a pretty traumatic eye infection. And it's still puffy. But it's going away. Just out of the blue. Sometimes our body, in the ascension process, may go through some physical healing. Yeah, thank you. It was kind of scary. So if you're a contact wearer, Ryan, the cornea was so swollen. He was like, do you wear contacts? I'm like, yeah, but I won't be right now. My cornea was so swollen. It was like, I just wanted to put an eye patch on and leave it, but I toughed it out. I just relaxed. I willow. And I let my body heal. SMART goal, now you know. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Set one for yourself. As you meditate and you love on yourself, think about what you really want, that's attainable, that's realistic, and then tell yourself when you're going to do it by. Today would have been my grandmother's birthday, and I know we have a birthday girl in here recently, so happy birthday, my dear friend Willow. All the Christmas babies, oh, thank you. Virgil. Virgil's one too. He was the 17th. So Virgil got birthday and Christmas. Then New Year's, and then our anniversary is on the 5th of January. It's like, by then I'm just, okay, that's enough holidays. Then Valentine's Day. Then it'll be my birthday. They all blend together now. to you when it arrives, if it ever gets here. So take a couple of nice deep breaths. Breathe into your heart. Feel that love in your heart. Feel how much you love yourself. You always have and you always will. You might deny it. Just a reminder. Hallelujah. Christmas is over. That's what one of my friends told me. He says, I can't wait till it's over. I'm like, okay. Comes and goes every year that we're alive, yes. Or not. Let's hope everyone is doing well. All the people that didn't have a home, I hope they had a nice meal. That was a very interesting experience working for the Salvation Army and feeding people on Christmas. Very humbling experience. It was really hard. How much we enjoy, how much we have. Be grateful, because others are not as fortunate. So when you see that person on the street that might not have a home, look into their eyes and smile. You're going to light them right up. Share your love. Help them to remember that they're not lost. No one's ever really lost. Heart is always lit. I need a shirt with a candle. The candle and the path is always lit. Quiet this and follow the path that is lit. You can do it. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you for being here, tapping the screen, sharing, all that wonderful stuff that we do here on TikTok. community, local community of sound healers on TikTok and wherever they may be. Hi, Toya. Whatever your gifts are, express yourself. Holiday glow going because we can. Let it glow every day. Let your heart glow. Feel that love. Sorry, my hair keeps getting in my mouth. Welcome in if you're new. My name is Grace, and I'm in Phoenix. And we're doing a nice sound bath after the Christmas holiday for those that celebrate it, to keep the glow and love in our heart going. So look in the mirror and tell yourself, I love you. This time of year, sometimes it's easy and sometimes maybe not. But the love is there. Work on you every day because you're worth it. And others are counting on you. Sometimes you're in a relationship and you've got to hold the space of love for your partner to return. Make sure you do it, because when you teach them, they're going to do it for you. The only trouble is when you both get into your brain, monkey brain, and you forget. So hold the space of love always and forever for everyone. Because you can do it. sorry. Off TikTok 2 days. Get back in the swing here. So the crown really wants to be heard today. Stay connected to the divine. Stay connected to your heart. All this going on, just let it go. Let it go quiet. It's okay to be still. You use this when you need to. You're in control. It's there for a reason. It's under your control and your command. And I would say it's more like the heart is in control of everything. All the love and light. Let your heart be the master. That is who you are. A part of the energy of life. Thanks for the heart, me, Brian. Hello, Northern Cal, one of my favorite areas. I have lots of friends in Northern Cal. Welcome, Toya. Thank you for yours. Nope, never been to Mount Shasta. Right on the Oregon border. I heard it's really beautiful there. I had a girlfriend that lived in Ashland. Because it has a light in it. They change colors. don't have a favorite spot in California. Hi, Joshua. But I would say San Francisco, top. One of my favorite cities in the world. And of course, Virgil has to say Manhattan Beach. And of course, I have to say Laguna Beach in Southern Cal. Long Beach. Yes. Love yourself. And in this community, we do say, love your damn self. Because you should be. Should, would, could. You are love. Love the world. Love the planet you're on. Take care of Mother Earth. But number one, take care of you. You first. San Francisco is just such a diverse area. I love it. Some of the best food in the world. So many hills to climb in San Francisco if you're walking. Wow. Downtown. Oakland too, the surrounding areas, Sacramento. Hello, let it be. You stay away from downtown. Well, I used to have work conferences there. It was fun. Oh yeah, New Orleans. Great food, great music, Preservation Hall. Nothing like it. Lots of great jazz music. So many great places to visit. So maybe that's one of your goals, travel. So think about where you want to go and when you're going to do it. Who you're going to go with and where you're going to stay. Visualize yourself being there. from Kauai and other places talking about how cheap tickets were to get there. So, have to look into it. Still have that goal. They haven't put a date on it yet. Might have to do some family travel. Not your style, Vegas. I've been to so many work conferences in Vegas, it's not really me either. It was always in the summer when it was really hot, just like here in Phoenix. But fun, lots to do there. Like now and then hot. So there you have it. I missed the 4 seasons. It's cold at night here. Seasons there. You have more than 4, don't you? Because it probably gets a little warm, then it gets cold again. So it goes to spring and then it goes back to winter. Rain here. Orion's in Rhode Island, inner existence. Mr. Electric Handpan. Who plays on Saturday nights. Saturday Night Live with Brian in Rhode Island. I'm gonna start producing his show. What time? 10:30 Eastern? He's a once a week sound bath, but you don't want to miss that. He's got some great new instruments. Okay. So, Inner Existence, follow him for Saturday Night Sound Bass, 10 Eastern. I think about everybody is following each other in here, but if not, now you know. Thanks for the follow, Gifted Angel. It's pretty name. Just doing a nice gentle sound bath today to continue the holiday glow, the holiday love and spirit in your heart. Or your chance to unwind and relax. We all need to relax. Some of us more than others. You can holiday glow all year if you want. Every day. Christmas in July. That's more of a marketing thing. Thanks for the ice cream cone. Yeah, I could use some ice cream. Got these Ghirardelli chocolates. Oh my. Those are really too good. So back to normal diet today. Maybe. We always have the Christmas cheer right here. Breathe and relax. Did I see a Chicken Little? I did. Hi, Chicken Little. Welcome. Chicken Little 13, hello. No, the sky's not falling. Not today. Not tomorrow. Victor. Welcome. Thanks for sharing the live. Hello, Mimi. Thanks for joining. Thank you for being here to hold the love and the light after the holiday. If you celebrate. As you take this feeling of relaxation throughout your day. And I'll probably be on tomorrow. And I hope something comes in the mail that I get to show you. Been waiting and waiting. Here's to you. Here's to me. And if we ever disagree, I love you. To make yourself right. Don't make yourself wrong. Love yourself. Fall in love with the energy and the beauty that you are. The sacredness that you are, alive. The breath, the livingness, the oneness. And never forget that in this journey in life, the longest part of it is going to be getting out of here into your thinking thoughts, monkey mindness, sometimes craziness, and into your heart. Open that heart. Keep it open. Feel the love and the compassion. Love yourself. Keep checking your eyes. Make sure you have plenty of light in your eyes. Go tell yourself, I love you in the mirror. And tell someone else that today, that you love them. It's an easy season, time of the year to say, I love you. Namaste to all. May you have peace in your body and in your life. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for the emotes. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.